What's up, YouTube? Back to y'all with another banger. I'm about to go to this car show in Bridgeport, Connecticut. Me, Angelo, he's pulling up. He got an M3. We're about to pick up a 340 on our way to Connecticut. We're leaving from New York, so stay tuned. It's gonna be a litty video. We're gonna have wild fun. It's gonna be some amazing cars. And just like that, let's get into the video. We just pulled up. That's how we looking.
Yo, you got a song in mind? What's that new song that's been popping out everywhere, bro?
Do Offset. Worth it.
Offset?
Yeah.
Big dog?
E90. No, it's called Worth It. E92. Oh my gosh. Yo, your shit mineral white or your shit Alpine white?
Alpine.
Okay, this is mineral white. Okay, got my boy right here. We about to ride out Bridgeport. Woo. Shit clean. And then we about to head to the car show. Just had to meet up with a couple more people. There's a couple more cars. You know what I'm saying? Especially this.
The clutch and they just don't stand. Like, what was he doing?
No, I passed by a car. It was like, watch. I roll down my windows, upshifted.
Bro, that's what I'm worried about. When he's still setting his being outside.
CRJ Major.
That's about to be lit. Just made it here. This shit is lit. I'm not gonna hold you. Shit is lit. Guys are just pulled up. He just pulled.
Bro, when I heard that, I was like,
We all pulled. Yo, the boys was on you for that whole ride, bro.
Bro, that made that whole ride depressive, bro. I was like, bro.
Bro, and like, I closed my mouth for like, looking at me to get me for nothing, so we just like,
Yo, I ain't gonna. That's sick right there. Boy, me and my boy Angelo, we here.
What's up? What's
you know
up?
What I'm saying? For the vloggy. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna front. This is a great turnout though. Just mad cars everywhere.
This making me feel like I should buy a car and I actually own one.
Right. E92 is clean. Real clean. Gotta get the boys in there, you know what I'm saying? Let me get. Shit, my hydraulics. Hey, front.
Oh my god. Where you be going for your work? We might dad do it all. Oh, okay. Man, how long you had it? I had it now about, I don't know, 8 months, 7 months. Yeah.
How many miles you got on?
70K, 2013, 6-speed, stripper, comp, single hump, all that E92 M3 goodness. Bullshit.
Bearing done and all that?
Rod bearings done. I did injector, spark
Throttles?
plugs. No, I haven't had
DCT lead?
Okay.
No, 6-speed.
No, this is him, all carbon.
Yeah, and then I got coils, Apex wheels.
Alright, y'all. What y'all think about me getting an M2 for the next call? M2 for the next call. What you think? Competition. I gotta get the competition. Super right next to it. Yo, Angelo, that super look good on you. You know what I'm saying? That super look good on you. Yeah. Legendary. Shit is legendary. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. This is legendary. great turnout. There's a lot of cars here. I'm gonna try to get as much as I can for you guys. Oh shit! Look at this Halloween little joint. You know what I'm saying? Creative. Nah, that's what is that? Blood?
This is crazy.
Nah, that's him.
Damn. They trying to take you out.
You next, bro. That's what it says.
I got no odds.
Yo, I got it, bro. Nah, that shit look crazy. It ain't going front, bro. Yo, bro, why you driving like that, bro?
What you mean, bro? I'm trying to take a boomerang. Chill out.
What Porsche is this called again? I don't even know what this Porsche is called, but I know this is one of them OG joints. You know what I'm saying? Or is this a 350Z? My fault. My fault. No disrespect. You know what I'm saying? Stop. Let me get that light. Let me get that light. Get that light there. What is that? Corvette?
Is that LS?
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. Man, that shit is. What's that? 720? If I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, it's 720.
720S.
How to get
It's him. Oh, and there's some bags too. R34 Gazella. That color is him. Oh my God. You see the drive though? Hand drive. Nah, this is amazing.
whoever's car this is.
Yeah, that shit is fire.
All the carbon fiber pieces is crazy.
See this? Yeah, the red one you talking about.
I know the yellow 363 guy.
Yeah, it's a lot going on.
Yeah, said I went to
Muffle up. All right, guys, how you enjoying the event? What up,
bro?
Y'all, it's either the M2 or I would get this right here. Bob right here. Is it M5? This shit nice. I like this color. Color is hand. Yep. Remington Cloud. Competition. Yeah. Yeah, I definitely need that. That's next. Should be. I'll probably be back like 12:30. Oh. FDR is dumb quick, man. Nah, no tolls. There ain't no tolls.
Nah, we go.
Get off in Harlem. And just like that, we just made it back. We in the Bronx right now. I was gonna go to the city, but I need a new tire. The thread is showing on my
If you
car,
take a picture,
so
do not tag me.
because
I got a
water
baddie
choke.
that call me daddy.
Now-
I went from playing ball at that backstreet. I gotta have you to
Now I
myself.
gotta get it tied tomorrow. So, you know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all. Can y'all see? You see it? Oh. But on that note, I'm tired, guys. It's like 11 o'clock. I'm beat. I'm ready to go home. just like that, this video is over. Holla.
If you take a picture, do not tag me. I got a baddie that call me daddy. I went from playing ball at that back street. I gotta have you to myself.